Hello friends, welcome to today's video on Microsoft Word. The most commonly asked question in my classes is, in Microsoft Word document, I have a text which contains a lot of extra spaces. So I have to remove them manually. Is there an automated way to do that? Yes, friends, there is an automated way, and let me quickly show you how to do that. So friends, let us go to now our MS Word here. As you can see, I have some text which contains a lot of extra spaces. So how to remove them? First, we have to go to find and replace. Control H is for replace, as we all know. So friends, here in find what, I'm going to ask Microsoft Word to find a space. So bracket open, space, bracket close. Then we will use curly bracket, which is also known as flower bracket. We will ask Microsoft Word to search to comma, and then we will close this curly bracket. Now we need to retain one space, right? We need to retain one space wherever there is extra space. So we will ask it to retain only one space by using slash and then single space. Now what we have used here are wildcards. So let us not forget to tell Microsoft Word that we are using wildcards here. So this one we will have to activate. We will have to tick this on, use wildcards. Now check here a lot of extra spaces. After clicking on replace all, at voila, you see here all the extra spaces have been removed. All done. We have made 118 replacements. Click OK and we are done. Thank you very much for watching the video, friends, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you.